October the 1st, 2019. Guys, you're looking at an article tonight coming in from Associated Press, and it's the Hurricane Lorenzo that we've been watching, and I've been saying for a couple of days for our friends in the Azores Islands and in the UK to pay attention to this thing. Now, it's down to a Cat 2 hurricane. It briefly approached a Cat 5, and that's important because I said in the videos that even though the center of the storm, the eye of the hurricane, that area slows down, there's a momentum and inertia that has been created out in front of it. And in the Azores Islands, again, it's a chain of islands. You've got about 250,000 people that are living there. And this is an important video, so pay attention. If you're in the area, more than likely you are aware of it. But just in case, guys, if you got friends there, get in touch with them, check on them. Because it says a hurricane packing a punch rarely witnessed in the mid-Atlantic Ocean is bearing down on the Azores Islands, placing emergency services on red alerts for waves that could reach 8 stories high. That's 70 feet. You see it in the title. Winds that could flatten homes and heavy rains that could turn into torrents on steep mountains. And these are volcanic islands. Again, the Category 2, Hurricane Lorenzo, is expected to hit the Portuguese islands Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. Waves up to 22 meters or 72 feet high, and hurricane winds gusting over 124 miles per hour are forecast for some islands. The Hurricane Center in Miami issued hurricane warnings for 7 of the Azores' 9 volcanic islands and a tropical storm warning for the other 2. The remote islands are home to about 250,000 people. Lorenzo was previously a Category 5 hurricane, the strongest storm ever observed so far north and east in the Atlantic Basin. Ever. It is already producing huge seas over the North Atlantic, according to the Hurricane Center. Guys, and remember, one of those deep-sea tugs sank, and they've got some of the people, but they haven't found them all. Severe weather conditions are not uncommon in the exposed island chain, but hurricanes usually wind down by the time they reach the area's cooler waters. And if you look back over history, guys, when you did get big storms there and up into Ireland, the UK, most were during a solar minimum, just like we're going into now. But what we're dealing with now, guys, is a grand solar minimum. They're saying it's a rare event, but not unique. It says Moriero, they are Portugal's Institute for the Sea and Atmosphere, says of Lorenzo, noting the 2 storms are of similar strength hit the islands in the 1990s. Again, during solar minimum. But guys, this is grand solar minimum. Everything is exaggerated. And again, I'll keep it as short as I can. If you know people there, contact them, check on them overnight and into tomorrow. 8-story waves. And you guys in Ireland and the UK, you know what's coming. It's a heads up. Be safe.